2024 Olympian. World silver medalist getting ready to take on one of the younger wrestlers from Turkey, Elmira Yasin. Yasin, the reigning U23 European gold medal winner, won the gold in Toronto this year at this weight at 76 kilos. Coaches getting into position, and here we go. This should be an interesting one. You have the Olympian, the world medalist from years past, and Medet of Kyrgyzstan taking on the up-and-comer, the youth of Turkey, and the reigning U23 gold medalist, Elmira Yasin. Medet gets the two early, immediately goes to that upper chest wrap, has the turn, comes back the other way, gets two more, referee signals two. And the veteran getting the youth right now, up 6-0, and the heads and shoulders go out of bounds. And a tough start for the 19-year-old Yasin. Quick 6 up on the board for Medet, who was a world silver medalist in 2023. Came so close to winning the world gold, lost to Kagami in the finals. 2024 Olympian representing Kyrgyzstan. Came out, established what she needed to, and now this is when Medet is really tough. When you get to this level, these high-level wrestlers, they get their points early, and then they make the opponent, especially a younger opponent, come figure out the puzzle. Now you have to come to me. And the talent of Yasin in her senior world debut will be put on test now, trailing by 6. Getting overmatched here with the strength, working off the 2-on-1, now into that front head, snaps her down. Yasin down on both knees, vulnerable position here. Medet can go either way if she wants. Still has that head smothered in between the legs, now reaching around the top. Yasin trying to keep control of the right leg of Kizzy. Don't think Kizzy's going to be able to clear her right leg out of there. Clock continuing to move. Referee signaling the control. That's why no 2 has been awarded. Still signaling the 2. Now the leg gets finally cleared and the takedown awarded. Medet dominant in this opening round, up 8. Jumps into a lace, and that is going to be it. She will end it with 13 seconds to go. Showing her versatility from parterre. She went upper half to get the first few exposures after the initial takedown. Here she drops down.